Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I am going to show you how to add Control Panel to the desktop on your Windows machine. Before we start the video, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. So let us get started. First of all, right-click on the desktop and click on Personalize. Then go to Themes. Scroll down and click on Desktop Icon Settings. Here you will see Computer, Recycle Bin, as well as Control Panel. Make sure that Control Panel is checked. After that, click on Apply, then click on OK. That is it. Now go back to the desktop screen. As you can see, I have added Control Panel. From here, you can easily access the Control Panel. If you want to remove it from the desktop again, go to Settings and uncheck this option. Then click on Apply and OK. So friends, this is how you can add Control Panel to the desktop screen. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to subscribe and also hit the like button. Thanks for watching this video.